Anyway, you like the idea of the king and the royals?
Vybz Kartel and...
No, the king and the royals, Beanie Man and Morgan Heritage taking their show on the road as the king and the royals.
Oh, I just one king we know now, and Vybz Kartel.
Me and the Gaza fans them going back and forth recently. That's sincere. It's from last year Gaza fungus this me.
Bounty Killer is clearing the air. He says the back and forth with Gaza fans didn't start because of personal issues with Vybz Kartel. According to Bounty, it began when he said he preferred certain songs over others, and fans took it the wrong way. He also mentioned that the situation involved more than random social media comments. His issue, he says, was about specific associations and statements that were never publicly addressed. Bounty believes most people misunderstood what he was actually ranting about. So now the question is, was this just fan misinterpretation? Or is social media amplifying small things into big tension? Let me know what you think. Like, subscribe on Sonic Snap.
And me and the Gaza fans them going at it was because I said I like Massacre's songs over Tommy Lee songs. It wasn't anything about me and people telling me matter. So most of the Gaza fans misunderstood or they misinformed or they don't know exactly what's going on. So that's what I was writing about, and then you stated clear. It was an associate of Kartel, someone who goes to his house. This wasn't just a random fan on IG or social media who he has no contact with. And as the people them said, as enough of this the Grammy people them, Kartel did gladly went and tried to claim or disapprove.
DJ saying that Andrew Nuffy Nelson is his brother and his official MC. However, he's not authorized to speak for or represent him in any official business, legal or brand-related capacity.
What Nuffy said about them, but when his associate tell me go mother for no reason at all, he never tried to disapprove it or disassociate himself. So that's why I wrote. Isn't they all listen, man? Yeah. But I tell you what, most of the people them misinform or they misunderstood. They don't even know what exactly I'm writing about.